Hook, have you ever found yourself locked out of your Venmo account, unable to access your funds? It's a frustrating situation, especially when you don't have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. But don't worry, there might still be a way to recover your account. Let's dive in and explore some potential solutions. Context: Venmo has become a popular platform for peer-to-peer payments, making it easy to send and receive money with friends and family. However, losing access to your account can be a major inconvenience. In this video, we'll discuss several strategies you can try to regain control of your Venmo account, even without your email or phone number. Solution 1. Contact Venmo customer support. The first and most direct approach is to reach out to Venmo's customer support team. They may be able to assist you in recovering your account, especially if you can provide them with additional information such as your full name, date of birth, or previous transaction details. How to contact Venmo customer support. Visit the Venmo website and look for the Help or Contact Us section. Choose the appropriate option for your issue. Provide as much information as possible to help Venmo identify your account. Solution 2. Utilize social media. Venmo often monitors their social media channels for customer inquiries. If you're unable to resolve the issue through traditional customer support, you might try reaching out to Venmo on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Be sure to include your username or any relevant information that can help them identify your account. Solution 3. Verify your identity through alternative methods. In some cases, Venmo may require additional verification to confirm your identity. This might involve providing documents such as a government-issued ID or proof of address. If you have access to these documents, be prepared to submit them to Venmo's customer support team. Solution 4. Explore third-party recovery services. While it's generally recommended to avoid using third-party services for account recovery, there may be instances where they can be helpful. Some companies specialize in helping users recover lost accounts or passwords. However, proceed with caution and do your research to ensure you're dealing with a reputable service. Additional tips. Be patient. Account recovery can take time, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Avoid phishing scams. Be wary of unsolicited emails or messages claiming to be from Venmo. Never provide your personal information or login credentials to unknown sources. Secure your account. Once you regain access to your account, take steps to secure it by enabling two-factor authentication and using strong passwords. Conclusion. Recovering your Venmo account without email or phone number can be challenging, but it's not impossible. By following the strategies outlined in this video, you may be able to regain access to your funds and continue using the platform. Remember to be patient, persistent, and cautious when dealing with account recovery processes. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.